At Applied Software, we encounter clients who are in many stages of plant design. Some of them are transitioning from two-dimensional to three-dimensional modeling and drawing. Some of them are switching platforms from legacy products to newer products. Some of them have been using an existing product like Plant3D for a while and want to optimize their workflow. In every one of these situations, clients want to move from a current state where they're at to a more efficient way of doing things. At Applied Software, we've designed the Plant Roadmap Workshop to help with that journey. How does the workshop change your path to efficient production? The first way is we use documented goals. Many companies focus on production and can't take the time to strategize how they want to impact their daily work and workflows. By capturing the goals and documenting them, we can create visibility into the success of the project. We can set and capture goals like every user should be able to insert a standard equipment piece in less than a minute. Or a goal like my procurement team should be able to report on current parts in our model in less than 30 minutes. Our second way we can help is including team members so you can get buy-in and feedback on what the implementation should look like. We find many clients have team members who have experience with various workflows who can provide clarity and context to choices. Some team members have implemented similar processes at other companies. Other team members will have ideas about what workflows should change and why. The third way the Plant Roadmap Workshop can help is by impact and schedule visibility. Being able to identify which configuration items influence your process at the front of an implementation always means less project risk. For example, custom properties and tagging should always be defined first and correctly. Clients who don't may end up spending extra time in the project to do data entry cleanup. The Plant3D Roadmap Workshop process is defined in 3 stages. First, we do a detailed review. We'll give you a guide for items, deliverables, files, and other workflows that you can provide to us for review, and we'll sit down and do a deep dive into your environment to figure out what is impacting your design process. The second step is an online workshop. This 2-hour workshop provides the opportunity for people like the engineering manager or piping manager, piping designers, and IT to provide content and context about the implementation process. We'll review all of the items that have been covered in the review process to help define a plan to implement Plant3D. The third step is the documented plan. After the workshop, we'll create a deliverable document that is your guide and your roadmap to what your implementation should look like. The team comments and buy-in have been captured in this document, and you'll be able to see what items and tasks you should do to get to where you want to be for your future workflows. If you would like to shorten the path to efficient production in Plant3D, give us a call today.